Hey everyone, so got myself a camera stabilizer, so no more shaky video hopefully, so that's going to be really good. That's a good positive step. So we need to make a nice big entrance way for the workshop, timber frame things, but the bag's up too. I'm still waiting for the bag, so I'm looking for stuff to do in the meantime. So I'm thinking about this fallen oak tree here being the entrance. It's pretty huge, so I mean, I don't need it to be this big at all, but it's what I've got and it's falling down, so we might try and do something with this. So I think I'm going to cut it out of the way anyway, because it needs to be moved out of the way, and then size it up, see if we can make something with it. I think we might be able to. Right then, tractor's loaded up. Let's go and see if we can cut this bit of wood out, drag it out, and see if it's going to be what we want. It's there, laying there for the taking, so it's across the path. It needs to be moved, so we're going to try and put it to good use. It's a bit big, but I'm going to trim it down and do some bits, carve it a little bit. Should be good. Let's get to it. Just coming along in the tractor. See, we've got the solar shower over there. And the oak tree we're cutting is just in the woods, just through there. So we're going to drag it out along here. Cut the grass the other day. See, I've got a nice little copse of trees coming up here. I didn't plant these ones. These are all self-seeded, so they're going to be nice in the future. So I'm going to back into here and we're going to find that oak tree. Gone and got myself pinched. I thought it was going to fall the other way. I should have known better, really. Happens though. That's why you got to have two saws. Try using the wedge first. I should have done that in the first place really, but that's it. Happens. Well, I'm getting it. The first problem, the reason I had the first snappage and it was too tight, was because of there was a hidden branch down there that I couldn't see. And now I'm starting to get a bit of a pull on it. Starting to go uphill now. Got pulley on it. I had a couple of bits of rope snap on me. It's a very heavy bit of wood, this. But yeah, let's give it a bit more of a pull so we can get a bit further. Little by little, each inch is a little bit closer, and then once I get it to the tractor, I'll drag it with the tractor. Alright, let's carry on. Uphill now. Not liking that. Come on. Successful. Yeah. Okay, take that back down near the workshop and start turning it into an entranceway. Good morning's work. Right, I've just run a nice string line down this. Gonna face this so that it's got a nice flat surface where the door will close up against. Okay, so I've been hard at work with this today, giving myself some flat surfaces, but still keeping a nice shape to it. Have a look, lovely shape to it still. Looking really nice. Got these pieces harvested here. I've got a volunteer with me, he doesn't want to be on film, so I can't do too much filming. But some flat spots, there's going to be a post there and a doorway here. Just been working on this piece. This is one of the posts. Got a tenon in the end of it ready, so I've just been working on that. That's going to be that post just there. Yeah, getting there. Just got to do lots of woodwork, make some more tenons, mortises, and we'll put this together, and then this will be a big entranceway to the workshop. Just about to cut mortise using chain mortiser on a not a square bit of wood, but just packing it out with this bark and stuff, and it works. And we've got both posts done. We still need to do post for here. Yeah, check out this post. Nice, really nice piece of wood. There's a lot of work trying to get that tenon done on there, because it's a complicated piece, but it's going to look lovely. So I'm going to cut out that mortise and then we'll slot some of these posts in. Okay, so that actually worked alright. The chain mortiser sort of just stuffed some bits of bark and that in it. It's come out pretty good. Oak is so much nicer to work with than larch. So I'm going to test that piece, see if it fits in there. Okay, check it out. Nice, right? Looking cool. So this will be the entrance coming through here. There'll be another post there, and that will have a door to walk through, you know, just as a passenger door. And the big section in the middle there will be for, you know, bringing tools and stuff in. So yeah, looking cool. Nice tight joins. You can see I'll hollow all this out with a gouge as well to make it blend nice. Cool. Morning everyone. So yesterday I got this finished. I did a lot of recording on this build, but some of it really didn't come out very well. I got this new stabilizer, spent money on it so I could make better videos, and it just really makes the audio terrible. So some of the audio in this video is pretty bad, and I apologise for that. It's interference from the stabilizer, and I only saw it when I started editing. So back to trying to figure out what to do about that. I think I have to put an external microphone on it. But anyway, this went really well. Have a look. Really nice. It's come out beautifully. Lovely big joins. I mean, if you can see, these are massive bits of wood. Yeah, really nice. Oh yeah, that peg had a little split in it, but glued it back together so that tape can come off. There we go. One of the little corners split off, so I thought I'd just glue the corner back on. Yeah, I mean, it's come out really well. Nice tight joints. I'm going to come along in here with a gouge and carve all this out so it fits nicer. Yeah, very, very pleased. Okay, so next video is will be coming up, and I've actually started doing the workshop Earthbag filling. There's a couple of rows on there already, so there'll be a video of that coming up. I'll be installing this. So yeah, very pleased. So sorry about the audio again. I'm trying to figure it out. I've spent lots of money on camera stuff and it's still not very good. GoPro Hero 5 is junk for audio. So yeah, anyway, I'll get it worked out. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.